So let's say you want your users to take their photo when they're filling up the form. So if that is the case, then you can actually go ahead and use something called the Take Photo Widget. So to do that, you can simply go around over here onto the widget section, and here you can see that Take Photo is an option right here. So you can simply go around over here and type in, let's say for example, upload your photo right here, just like this. So you can even choose the camera facing to front and rear right here. So depending on the device that they have, they will be able to go ahead and use that particular photo. So here you can see that there's the take photo button. So you can go ahead and change the name to shoot right here. For example, shoot yourself, or let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and say smile please right here, just like this. You can go ahead and change the photo as you want. So here you can see that there's a retake photo. So let's just go ahead and remove this, and update photo. You can go ahead and change to update right here. So you can even go ahead and change your own style by adding custom CSS, but we are not going to do that. So I'm simply going to go ahead and click on update. So now let's just go ahead on to form preview right here. And then let's just go ahead and click on smile please. And then over here, you can choose the camera source right here, just like this. And you need to go ahead and allow access to the camera. So I'm just going to go ahead and allow. And once you do that, you can see that I can see my camera. So I can go ahead and then change the camera view as well if I want to. But I only have one camera, so that won't work. So let's just go ahead and click on smile please. And then it simply goes ahead and clicks out the photo. You can go ahead and click on retake. So seems like this is weird. So I'm just going to go around and then take a photo again. So it seems like this is okay now. So now, once you're happy, you can now go ahead and submit it out. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the Take Photo widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe